I've seen them hauling in all the boulders and the gravel and stuff to repair it with.
Will state workers be able to fix this hole in the Oroville Dam spillway in time? That's the question the entire town is asking itself.
Who knows? Hopefully they do.
I hope so. That way we don't have a catastrophe again.
A team of experts says the clock is ticking. According to the Associated Press, a federally created investigating team released a report stating the main spillway must be repaired by November. The state faces a, quote, very significant risk. Do you think they'll get it done by November 1st?
No. The way the thing was, just tore up so damn bad it take a long time to fix that. Right.
Fox 40 asked the California Department of Water Resources for that report. It claimed it didn't know which report the AP was referring to. In a statement, the DWR says, in part, DWR's objective is to have a fully functional spillway before the start of the next storm season. It continues, we'll be working round the clock through spring, summer, and fall to make that happen.
The way government does things. Well, maybe they'll make, there ought to be enough money around, though. Brown ought to get enough and maybe get some from Washington.
What that significant risk the report warns about is also unclear. Fox 40 reached out to several of the experts who worked on the project, all of whom referred us to the DWR. And most in town we spoke with hope if they have to evacuate again, that it runs smoother.
Last time they gave us about 25 minutes evacuation.
The town's confidence in the state's ability to fix the problem are mixed. You confident the state's going to get it all fixed and ready by November 1st?
I think so. They've been working on it diligently.
I hope they don't rush it and mess it up, but as long as they get the job done.